Welcome to Everything Currency. This is a show where we talk about everything crypto and mo. I'm your host Jay, and today I want to talk to you guys a little bit about these charts. I want to talk to you guys about the total 2. I want to also do an update on my low cap gems list so we can see how those coins have been doing. As you guys know, I don't really like to just go and buy a whole bunch of altcoins. You know, when I see little opportunities, I'll pick them up here and there. But you know, I have some coins that I'm just banking on for the long run in this alt run to try to take advantage of as much as they can offer, you know. But if you guys throw some altcoins in the comment box, you know, for sure I'll check them out if they're good opportunities. But I want to talk to you guys about the low cap gem list, and I want to bring you some other coins that I am bullish on at the moment that are not on that list. So if you're excited about that, go ahead and like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new here, join the chillest community in crypto. Also, Telegram group is open. Gonna have to close that thing soon because we're starting to get those scammers soon, so get in while you fit in. So I said scammers soon, starting to get those scammers already. So yeah, get in while you fit in. Right now, looking at the price of Bitcoin, all these transactions are taking off all over the place. Looking at the chart, we can see that the prediction is still holding true. Now we are going sideways in between this zone that I was hoping that we are going sideways in between. We bounced off of this new trend line that I added here at about 49.5, and right now it's going up. Hopefully it just bounces right here and goes sideways for a little bit, and then we'll see if there is another blast off in Bitcoin. Who knows, it can go like this and do whatever it wants, but who knows. But it is looking pretty on point as far as where we are with this. So right here we have $55,000 as our blue sky breakout at the moment. 56. So $57,000 is where we want to get to have another breakout in Bitcoin. Looking at the Bitcoin dominance, it is spiking a little bit because Bitcoin had a nice big rise over the last little bit. This is Bitcoin on the daily right here. So the last 3 days Bitcoin has been going up, so the Bitcoin dominance has also been going up, but that's fine because the total 2 is on an uptrend. Now I had this overall, let me zoom out. Here on the daily, I had this overall, this bigger pitchfork on the longer term time frame, and I just added this black one today because I feel like we are following this a little bit better. So if I mute this one so we can see it, hide this one and go up, you can see this pitchfork is holding up pretty good, and you know, we just want to make it to the next level, keep on going up. Our breakout for the blue sky on the total 2 is about $710 billion. So let's get these altcoins to 1 trillion. That's the big goal. Let's get them to 1 trillion. So taking a look at my low cap gems list, it has been going crazy. So shout out to Luxo the bro, that has been just going crazy lately. I gotta give a shout out to that before we look at it. I also gotta give a shout out to Cody the Brody, up 39 cents today, and also Omi the homie just doing its thing. So checking out the low cap gems list, here's where we are as of today, the 8th of 2021. AMP, we're down 1 penny. DOS, we're down 1 penny, but DOS had some nice cool things released on the GitHub today, and they're looking like they are rocking and ready. Lit, so I kind of crossed Lit off the list. I don't really know what they're doing, but they're down 75%. Let's see, AKR Roll, they're at 4 cents right now, down 1 penny. Luxo has been going crazy, so started talking about it at 52 cents. Even before that, started talking about this coin last year in September at 52 cents is when I kept saying, hey man, why is this thing so undervalued? And here we are at $22.72. So that's what's up. Let's go Luxo. Luxo the bro. Seek, right now Seek is up 1 penny since the last month. We got, no, Seek is down, up 0.001. JRT, so I'm still kind of bullish on JRT. They're releasing their synthetics, but I still think we're far out from that. So AVX is down 50% since the last time we talked about it. It had a little hype run right here, and this is why buy the dip pretty much works, because there was this hype. People were buying up here $40, and now it's $25. CCX. Now this one I do not hold any, and also JRT I don't have any right now, but CCX, it's up to 16 cents, so it is doing well. XIO is also up, it is also doing well. CHX is also up 3x, it is doing awesome. Cody the Brody is up right now. Now Cody has a whole bunch of news going on. They always have a whole bunch of news going on, but Cody, you could see I've been talking about it since it was less than a penny, and it's 46 cents, doing very well. FRM, I'm still bullish on FRM. They got a bunch of projects using their technology, useful technology, that's how you pick them. FRM. DAG, useful technology, that's how you pick them. Excited about what they got going on and what they're releasing. Been talking about it since it was a half a penny. It's up to 3 cents. Ocean Protocol, been talking about this one since it was 2 cents, up to $1.41. I am still very bullish on Ocean Protocol, and they are just becoming a powerhouse in the data system. KDA, up about 3 cents. Sharing up about 2 cents. Ergo, they're up about double since we started talking about them. Track, now I'm bullish on Track still. I want this market cap to be $1 billion, so I'm hoping that it gets there. But at 56 cents, Track is doing well. Omi the homie, been talking about them for a minute, don't need to go into that. And Pulls, now Pulls is down about $10, and they've been going down. I'm not sure what they got going on, but they did very well coming out of that out of that Duck Dow marketing situation. So these are the low cap gems that I've been talking about on this list, and to be honest with you, a lot of them have done freaking amazing for me. And what's cool about it is, like everybody's like, yo, that's dope, but around these times prices were low, you know what I mean? So I just want to remind people, it's all about finding a nice entry, getting in before everybody else. So, if you look at this, you might think, man, you chose some good coins, but really I just got in them super early before everybody else, hunting and searching and getting in early. So right now, bullish on right now as of this date. Ohm is up 50% today. They did their thing, so I'm bullish on Ohm and some of the things that they got going on. Some new partnerships, some new things in the work on the Ohm platform. They're just chugging away, and as Polkadot does well, and as Polkadot grows, I get more bullish on Ohm and what they're doing. So DPI and Index, always bullish on them because I am always bullish on DeFi. And the DeFi index tokens are just crazy. Track, I'm still bullish on Track, and they've been moving lately. The chart has been looking very well, hit the all-time high and kept going. Same thing with Luxo, and same thing with DAG. I'm not sure if DAG has hit the all-time high yet, but I know that more people are getting excited about them as they release more things, like I am. So take a look at DAG for sure. And then Cody, skip to Cody, because like I said, Cody has a lot of news coming. And then Uni just has a beautiful chart right now, a nice cup and handle on the Uni chart. And I think Uni is just going to do well over the long run in general. So I got some other ones on here that are fairly new. If you've been watching this channel, you haven't seen me talk about these ones as much. So first one is Mana, which is Decentraland, and that's because a lot of people are bullish on NFTs, right? What Mana allows you to do is to buy a piece of land inside Decentraland, and you can host parties in there. People can go in virtual reality, they can go in augmented reality, they can go on the game online, and they can do things with their NFTs. There could be like say say a lot of people are buying NFT art, right? If you have the space in Decentraland, you can set up an actual viewing of that art. Like it's pretty cool. I'd encourage everybody to check out Decentraland. And then two of them that I haven't talked about on this channel, BePro and Route. So let's take a look at those real quick. So the first one I want to talk about is BePro. This is BePro Network right here at $11 million market cap. Trading volume is about a third of that, so that's pretty cool. Circulating supply is 1.8 billion, 10 billion total. Where can you get it at? You can find it on KuCoin, Uniswap, and BitMax. So whenever you want to figure out where to find a coin at, find it on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, or CoinPeprica, and hit the Markets tab, and you'll see the different places you can buy it at. So coming to the website, what is BePro? BePro is build the future of DeFi gaming. So it's DeFi gaming, 10 projects plus 50 projects using it. Pretty cool. Used by Anchor, which is a pretty nice gainer of this alt season so far. But to me, this is kind of similar. Don't quote me on this, but to me, it's kind of similar to the Graph, but for DeFi gaming. So I think more projects and more, as NFTs and DeFi gaming becomes bigger, then this project will also do well, and it has been performing well so far. So looking at the year to date, thing had a nice spike and went crazy. So still at a low price right now with $11 million market cap. And then the next one is Route. So the Router Protocol. What is the Router Protocol? Now I encourage everybody to jump in here and look at this one, but it's welcome to the future of cross-chain, unified gas fees, blah blah blah. But this little mechanism looks cool. All these cross-chain things going on with the router in the middle, dope. What do? We're developing the bridging infrastructure that allows contract level data flow access various blockchains, thus enabling asset level data transfer. Dope. Asset level data transfer. Why did I get bullish on Router in the first place? So I was on Twitter and I came across this post right here, and it told me a little bit about what Router does just by looking at this tweet from MontraDAO. So it says MontraDAO joins the first cohort of the upcoming Galaxy Farm by Router Protocol. Farm 5 tokens by staking just your own. Pool will go live tomorrow. So that is pretty dope. So I'm going to retweet this right now. If you're following me on Twitter, go ahead and check this out and look at this, more information to it. But Router has a ton of partnerships and things like that they're working with. So I think Router is efficient cross-chain liquidity routing. I think, if they accomplish what they can accomplish, then I do believe that this project could be undervalued. And then looking at the chart, you see right here it dropped on BitMax and usually has this huge spike and then it comes all the way back down. But zooming in, it is above the 200 right now, so it's in bullish territory. It just hit this resistance that it came above this resistance right here. It's retesting it, but this breakout is about $4, and then it's inside of a blue sky breakout as well. On the BitPro chart, it doesn't look as good as the Router chart at the moment, so it might be a nice little buy the dip opportunity for me to go ahead and get some more of this token, because this is one that I'm going to trade in the short term and try to do some things with it on a short term so I can get some more money to throw into Ethereum as Ethereum gets ready for its super blast off because of the EIP 15, whatever it is that's going to help out Ethereum. So let me know which of these coins on the list you like the most. Like I said, a lot of them have done well for me. Which ones have done well for you guys? If you guys have seen me talk about any of these coins and swoop any of them up, which ones have done well for you guys? So like and subscribe, turn on post notifications. Don't forget, check out the website everythingcurrencycrypto.com. Got the courses on there coming soon. Got the new FTs coming soon. Got the merch on there right now. You can buy yourself some cool Bitcoin merch or an Everything Currency t-shirt. Till next time, peace.